Hey! Today I will be attempting to install a door draft stopper with the help of a garage seal. Well, yes, it's obviously a garage seal, but I will not be using it for sealing the garage door because it's quite thin and flimsy and I really don't see a point in applying it to the garage door. But it will serve quite well for the couple of doors which I will be, let's say, insulating to prevent cold from entering beneath the door because the doors have a small gap. So the garage seal has some little nails also with it, and I will be using these nails to securely fasten it to the door. Let's get on.
I got nothing in my pocket.
I couldn't resist the temptation. Who didn't like to break ice when they were kids or adults, huh? Everyone likes to break ice. Okay, now to work. So the general idea is to basically put the rubber strip here because there's a gap between the door and the bottom section of the door. There were some kind of adjustments or repairs done to the door previously. This is not done by me. So what I will do, I will try to make it as weatherproof as possible. Although there is a seal, here's a seal for the bottom section of the door, but the seal is quite thin and there's missing a piece basically of the, how do you call it, whatever the thing is here. So it's missing a piece and I would like to make it as weatherproof as possible.
I'm a nobody, but you can't stop it. I got music, so I rock it. I got nothing, but I'm something.
So after an enormous amount of energy I managed to cut it out. It wasn't enormous, just kidding. And now I was thinking about which way to fasten it here because you can see it has like a smaller edge here and a bigger edge here. I guess I'll go with the fastening of the smaller edge to the top of the door, or not to the top of the door, but to the bottom section of the door, and the bigger edge will cover basically the gap. I don't know, sounds logical to me. I guess let's go with that.
I'm a nobody, but you can't stop it. I got music, so I rock it. I got nothing, but I'm something. I got nothing, but I'm something. I got nothing, but I'm something. I got nothing, I got nothing, I got nothing, I got nothing, nothing.
The same thing on the other side, because I have two doors which need to be sealed. Well, that's unexpected. That shouldn't come out of the door, I guess. I've been wondering who's smoking here so heavily. It seems that the door is smoking because it looks surely like ash. Actually, it's the inside of the door. Oh my god. Guess I should consider changing the door. Okay, another story, another day. It seems that the project is done. Is it the sexiest door in the neighborhood? Nope, not at all. Does it do its job? I hope so. Fingers crossed that it will keep my house a bit warmer. But I guess I will learn to see how it works in a couple of days, in a couple of maybe even weeks after installing this strip. So, thanks again for watching. No, not thanks again. I haven't thanked you yet in this video. So, thank you for watching. And as always, see you in the next one. Cheers!